Mr. Speaker, in the public sector accounting standards, there is nothing like pending bills. It is not an accounting term. It is a Kenyan creation, a creation of laziness in accounting, a creation of a conspiracy where one governor leaves office, the next one does not want to pay. Mr. Speaker, I've chaired committees that have looked at the Auditor General's report on pending bills. And the Auditor, Eddie Ouko, the last act he did before he left office was to audit pending bills across the country. What did we do? We took it to IBEC. IBEC decided to audit the work of the Auditor General. So each county went back to set up pending bills verification committees. Mr. Speaker, the matter has been going on for so long that in a county like Kirinyaga, which we considered last week when the governor, who's also the chair of the Council of Governors, appeared before us, they owe suppliers 200 million Kenya shillings. And Mr. Speaker, the age of that debt is 7 years. For 7 years, women, youth, persons with disability in Kirinyaga have not been paid 200 million shillings. And then, Mr. Speaker, you know, they have the cheek of saying that the Senate is the one that is not supporting devolution. Mr. Speaker, I want the Chair Finance Committee to broaden this inquiry because the report of the Control of Budget has the numbers that Senator Nyonka is asking for, but we must make sure that we interrogate that report county by county. There is no reason why the Control of Budget brings a report to this House every quarter and we take no action. And then this thing called pending bills piles up. Mr. Speaker, finally, I support the statement by Senator Eddy. And Mr. Speaker, we should not look at border as a nuisance. Border contributes